All right, my Condoritos, speed run day, and now is the opportunity for my baby here, my Arrma Infraction 3S V2. It's not the V3. I haven't gotten that yet. Look, this beauty. I cut the wing, painted a little bit, put some stickers on it, lights, all right? Lights, the speed pinion and the sport gear, original, because the other one got damaged due to a misstep on the speed pinion installation from me. So I gotta, change that. Other than that, it's just completely, original. And last time we got 59 miles per hour on this car. I'm using a 5200 milliampere battery, 90C from CNHL. Those are my to-go batteries for speed runs. I love them. And let's see how that goes, guys. 3, 2, 1. Look at this beauty. It's all lit. It's the daytime, so you guys don't see it, but it's completely lit. GPS is installed. Alrighty, guys, this is how it looks. This beauty, it couldn't be better. All good. Look at this, guys. This car is amazing with my light setup. Okay, now with the speed pinion on it, I know I'm gonna get 70 plus miles per hour on these guys. I got 59 with the regular one. We're having a problem. The tires are kind of wasted, but I have a brand new tires there, so I don't know if, let's see, little things that. Oh, that was full speed there. I am pretty sure it was. All right, guys, I am very excited. 70 miles per hour on the Infraction 3S stock. Speed pinion on it. 5200 milliampere battery. 3S. 90C. Speed pinion. Fan. That's it. 70. Arrma sets 65. And I got 70. And I'm going to try it again. This is probably not even the best place to do. And those are the wasted tires, the original tires. Let me see if I can show you guys that. But these are the original wasted tires. I already have brand new ones there, but I just don't want to ruin them today. So I'm going to keep bashing on this with these tires because we passed our target that was 65. The target was 65. That was the target, 65, and I got 70. I'm so excited. All right, guys, that was a bad accident. So good. Yep. All right, guys, here I'm just came to inspect a little bit. I just turned the car off. I just turned it off. This is my lights. Look, I made a very clean job here, and everything looks really good, with the exception of this that I know I have to replace them. So yes, this is completely damaged. This one. So I will see what I will do with this. I will have to work on that. And the car, and this is not even hot. barely. I mean, yeah, no, yeah, it has some heat, but come on, guys, that's nothing. That's like literally nothing for 70 miles an hour run that we just did on the Arrma Infraction. Look, it's beautiful, guys. It's a beautiful car. It's nothing modified, just a fan that is a much powerful fan. That's it. 3S battery, no tricks, nothing hidden. That's what it is, guys. Loved it. Let's go around there. Try to make this.